Yes.
So everybody seems to have a reason for why they want to avoid sugar. Now, that is where the guidance needs to come in. You are avoiding sugar because of the acne. Fine. It is true. High blood sugar levels they disorganize our hormones, our female cycle. We'll talk about sugar and the women. And yes, sometimes when we are eating a lot of sugar, we have more rough skin than we should. But my concern is, where do you stand? How is your ability to process these sugars? There are those who are avoiding sugars because they want to control their weight. It all makes sense. The whole issue is, if you want to avoid sugars because you want to lose weight, then let us avoid the whole class
of sugar,
the whole spectrum of them, from simple to complex to the non-sweet. Okay? You need that guidance. Otherwise, some people are leaving one type and going for the other,
which is even more
like the one we talked about. I have seen those who want to lose weight, they want to control diabetes, but they've left the granular sugar and instead they've gone for honey. And honey has more sugar, is more concentrated than. I still stand by my fact. A tablespoon of honey is equal to 17 grams of sugar. 4 grams of sugar make 1 teaspoon. So how many spoons are those? 4. You know,
by just one scoop of honey.
Yes,
has more
a
spoons,
lot more.
Tablespoons. Is it more teaspoons?
Yeah, you know, honey naturally is not served with that small spoon.
Yes, there's that big.
There is a biggish spoon.
Yes.
That one big spoon. It's not a typical tablespoon and it's not a teaspoon. It's in between.
Yes.
That one contains 17 grams of sugar.
Of the other sugar.
And 1 teaspoon, our usual teaspoon, is equal to 4 grams of sugar. So that one of honey is equal to 4 teaspoons of sugar. So I say it again. If the reason you're leaving sugar is because you have a problem with sugar, or you want to achieve something that sugar should not do in your body, then don't move from granular sugar and you go to honey.
Because even honey is more tough onto the.
We talked about the morning trap.
Yes.
So you leave the granular sugar, you're taking black tea, you've avoided even the milk, and you've put 2 spoons of honey, or 8 spoons. Then you're squeezing a lemon or an orange for flavor.
Yes.
That also comes with natural sugars.
Because lemon has sugar.
Has sugar. So you're adding sugar in the natural style.
Yes.
Okay. And on top of that, you're having a banana.
Yes.
So you're adding another set of natural sugars. So if you have a problem with controlling your sugar, then you have overloaded your system with sugar, even before 9 a.m. in the morning.
Which means that's why you see people have failed to control their diabetes. They do not know, because they were told to take a banana, take lemon, put some, honey, and then all the time their sugar levels are already shooting up there. I think this could be the problem. If you're out there, guys, we're saying, yes, get this information. It will be applicable to you. You either choose to follow it or do whatever you can. But to me, what I've learned from doctor, if you're battling sugar, running away from our sugar to honey is the same problem. If the problem is you containing, your body cannot sustain sugar, please avoid the sugar. If the problem that's why you're avoiding the other sugar is because your body cannot sustain or cannot process sugar, then going to the honey is also another catastrophe for you. And I hope now you're getting it clearly. Those who are arguing, those who are talking about, honey is natural, whether it is natural or processed, the classification is sugar.
If sugar is your problem.
If sugar is your problem. But if sugar is not your problem, you can leave the other sugar, go the honey. We're talking about people who are going through the tough